Welcome to CJ Auto Repair and Equipment, a new way to define your auto repair experience. Come meet my team.
At our showroom, there's something for everyone. From embracing the logging tradition to chains, blades, and Husqvarna gear, it's all here. This unique experience is something you are going to want to see.
CJ Auto Repair and Equipment isn't just a small business. We're family owned and dedicated to serving our community.
For all of those brave enough to do it yourself, break out those Pinterest boards for our CJ Garage Floor Decorative Epoxy Kits. They provide a durable, general-purpose system where the options really are endless. We also provide turnkey installation if you'd like our team to do the work. CJ is a full-service auto and small engine repair shop with experienced technicians that provide honest work. We work with you to find the problem so that you can drive your vehicle and operate your machinery with a peace of mind. Come in today for your quality service with upfront pricing. We are now offering synthetic blend oil changes starting as low as $29.95. We are located off of Exit 4 at 643 Brakke Drive in Hudson, Wisconsin. We are a small, family-owned business new to the Hudson community looking to build relationships. CJ, your one-stop auto repair and equipment shop.